This video will cover inverter and PV only installation. The SolarEdge Nexis Inverter is a single SKU product, meaning that your inverter will have several power class stickers in the packaging. Select the power class sticker based on your site plans and apply to the label prior to installation. Level and install the mounting bracket to building structure that will support 70 pounds and mount the inverter. Tighten the T25 seismic screws to 17.7 inch-pounds. Loosen the captive T25 cover screws to remove the front cover of the inverter. DC connections are located on the left. Below is the quick connector wiring. The communication board is in the middle with communication wiring on the bottom and connection for cellular plug-in on the top right. There's an RJ45 for monitoring communication on the bottom right of the COM board, and there is a second RJ45 connection behind the COM board for meter collar communications. The factory installed revenue grade meter can easily be removed to access setting dip switches if required. Finally, AC connections are on the right. Terminations for rapid shutdown can be found on the left-hand side of the communication board. The wiring tunnel at the bottom of the inverter allows you to pass DC or AC conductors through the enclosure when needed. Prior to landing AC conductors, install the provided ferrite ring. Starting with ground, install AC conductors, noting the labels just below the lever terminals. Tug test to verify connection. Place the ferrite ring on DC conductors. Before landing DC conductors, be sure to verify open air voltage of each string. You'll notice the ground bar and wire strip gauge are located just below the DC terminations. And don't forget to tug test after closing the lever terminals for your positive and negative conductors. Finally, close the cover and proceed to commissioning.